Hello everyone, welcome back. Black Boxers here. So, this is the S&P 500. As you can see here, we have a 1 hour time frame standard and push 500. Okay, and I'll show you the strategy on this. Okay, and you will be amazed, flabbergasted. You will be flabbergasted. It is gonna be a revelation for you. So it's crazy. So we can start from here. Let's say from this pump, from this pump to the dump, okay, the huge dump. So I'll start from here. So let's start from there. As you can see here, what do we have here? Okay, what do we have here? So when you think of look at this black box, what you have to consider is the first two candles has have to overlap. Okay, that is a must. It is a must. They have to overlap. Otherwise, it will be done. Okay, you will be looking for other overlapping candles if they are not overlapping. The perfect example is right here. As you can see, the first and the second candles are what? They are overlapped. That's what we want. So we don't really care about the third candle. The third candle has to only trade at least halfway of the two overlapping candles body, half half of their body. Okay, and then it can trade. Let me decrease now. So and the third candle can trade down just like this, right? As you can see, it traded halfway and then back. It collapsed, right? That's where you say. That's where I will be pressed. Okay. So now, so now, you can see here. Let's start from it. Let me show you from it. There we go. It's beautiful. This is just amazing. So as you can see, what happened here? What exactly happened here? Right? We got one, we got two candles. Why don't we consider this one? Why don't we consider this one? Because it didn't overlap. So you can see, I told you it is a must. The first and the second candle, they have to overlap. It is a must. As you can see, the first candle didn't overlap. What do? We go to the next one. So the next one, what did it do? It overlapped. Right, the last candle, right? So the third candle, what did it do? It traded at least half of the two bodies. The two candles bodies. This is typical, beautiful black box. I mean, two candles black box. It is not the normal black box. It is typical two candles black box. Okay, alright. That is, so as you can see, when we measure this, all it has to do is hit TP2. Okay, let me put that thing outside. All it has to do is hit TP2. So you can see I'm measuring from the bodies. The bodies, as you can see, I measure what happened exactly right here. TP2 was nailed where? Exactly there, right there. As you can see by this candle, bam, it overshoots it. It overshoots it, alright? So, exactly when TP2 is nailed, we no longer think about this. Okay, this black box is done. It is done. Of course, it depends on the uh, black boxes, the candles height. Okay, your TP, your take profit also depends on your the candle head. Okay, as you can see, this candle head is very small, so the TP will be small. This is what happened right here. So it actually went to TP3, as you can see. TP3. At most, we will be going to TP3, okay? At least we have to go to TP3. It is a must. TP2 is a must. It has to go to TP2. Otherwise, that setup will not be there. It is not there. So as you can see, we would be buying exactly right there as that candle. So as you can see, trade it down, supported. That's another buy down there. Okay, that's another buy. That's right there. We have a change direction. A change of direction. We are bullish now. It has shown us. It is bullish. So that by using the second model, what do? You buy that ship. You buy that ship, you target the people. Target the people, and then you left the other one. Okay, you take partial swing and you let the other one. Okay, up to the so this is based on the height of the candle. The height of the candle. Sorry, there is an outside noise. I apologize for that. Okay. Uh, so when you go to the next candle, I mean the next two candles black. When you go to the next black box, let me this one. What do you see here? What do you see here? Let me put this here. So what do you see there? Any two candles black box? Yeah, of course there is a black box. This whole thing here is a black box, a normal black box. This whole thing is a black box, a normal black box. And the normal black box has its own rules, okay? It is very risky and it has a wide stop loss to risk to reward is not good. It is not good. But also with that strategy, with a normal black box, while there was no two candles black box, I didn't know about two candles black box a year ago. So I was trading with a normal black box. In fact, even with that normal black box, I profited over 45%. 45% of my account went up like crazy. It went up like crazy using the normal black box, bro. Using that huge risk. Using that huge risk because I had to put my stop loss at the 5%. I had to enter exactly at the break of the 5%, and the black box is right here in the middle. So as you can see, the gap where I entered the 2, where my stop loss is located, the gap is huge, bro, which means I lose more now. So the down, the problem with normal black box is it is risk reward. Okay, the risk is very high. Okay, the risk is very high. Even with that strategy, I blew the account. I uh, pumped the account to 45% profit. Okay, it is live there. You can check it. Okay, it is on my Facebook. I didn't turn off anything. It is not a demo account. It is a live account. You can check that out yourself. You can check that out yourself. Okay, it is there. It is for educational purpose, so you can check it. But after some time, I wanted to catch every move. I mean every move from the bottom to the top, and I tried to use moving average, like moving average cross, moving average supports, and then I will use account. Okay, and there was other stuff. So let me show you here. I'm not gonna lie about nothing. I will not lie about nothing. I'll show you everything. Well, this is my notepad, which means I keep a lot of things here. Okay, I keep a lot of things here. So as you can see, what was it? Okay, okay, these are a lot of. Yep, there we go. I was using moving average as well. Thoughts on moving average. Okay, I was using moving average. So and as you can see, SMA 30 to 52. 30, SMA 30 to 52, which means from moving as a simple moving average 30, then I will increase by 2. Okay, if I place 30, this the first moving average will be 30, the second will be 32, the third will be 34, the fourth will be 36, the fifth will be 38, and then up to 52, which means the price will bounce off of this band of moving average. Okay, so that is my thought. That was my thought, and these are the things that I observed while trading the moving average. But uh, Finally, I will use the account. I will use the account. The moving average was crazy because it is crazy. The black box was better than the moving average. So where was the thing that I wanted to show you? The reasons that I will use the account here, right here. Okay. Uh, Bro, let me show you here. It's around here. It is around here. Trade plan. Okay. Website is actually mistakes you made, right? There we go. Mistakes you committed. These are the mistakes that I committed. I wrote it here. I placed it here to never repeat that shit again. Okay. So the mistakes I made, I entered the trade. I entered the trade on high risk trade using longing US30, and you will see US30 trades on my FX. It's all there. You can check it out. It is all there. Everything, the balance, the drawdown, and the graph, everything. You can check it out. The trades that I took, the longest I won, the shortest I won, average win rate, everything. You can check that thing, okay? That's why I placed it there, okay? It is for educational purpose. So as you can see, I entered on a $30 account. It was actually $20 account, so I took that $20 account to 34. 34 was the maximum that it went. 34, which means 45% or more profit. Okay, it was a 45% profit. So I I got cocky. I mean, I got over myself and I entered the trade on US30, which should never happen because US30 means I entered 0.1 lot, which means every pip will cost me around, I don't know, $1 or $2, which means if it goes 5 pips, it will be $10. And it will be gone from my account. So along with that thing, the nasty thing is the US30 short like 100 pips in my direction after hitting my stop loss. What I didn't realize was TP3 was hit. TP3 was hit. I'll show you that trade. I'll never lie. I'll show you everything. So this industry is crazy, bro. This industry is crazy. So that's why I'm trying to be honest here. So it went 100 pips in my direction. My stop loss was not hit. Okay, my stop loss was not hit. After measuring the black box, it did actually hit TP3. It did actually hit TP3. So finally did the force model, and the force model happened. It means this was a black box, this was the equilibrium, bam, a buy, I bought that shit. And the my stop loss down there, bam, it went down. Finally, it blew up. It was some kind of news or something. It went up like crazy, bro. It went up like crazy, and I lost, I don't know, $50 or something. Okay, I don't know. Yeah, close to $50. It is more than $50. I swear to God, it is more than $50. It is more than $50. So I lost $5. I don't know, $5 or something on this stop loss was hit, and that was embarrassing. I mean, I the trading psychology, bro. It's very very important. It's very very important. And then next, what did I do? You experimentally trade idea. I'm talking to myself as you can see. You experimented. It says you experiment. I didn't write I. So you experimented trade idea on live account. The moving average that I told you. I experiment moving average like 30 to 52, 14 SMA, and I try to trade live account with it, and I believe the account. Okay, $10 from account. I lost $10. As you can see, I lost $10. Okay, because of that. Uh, in fact, no experiment should be performed on real account. That's why we have a demo account. I'm trying to hit myself, right? So I was so sorry because I set up that account to show you that the black box works, but I negated, I contradicted my own thinking, right? So my own strategy. So it's crazy. Trading psychology was what it messed me up. It messed me up. The black box was giving me profits like crazy, bro. The profits were crazy, bro. For God's sake, I entered 10 more than 10 trades, and all of them were green, bro. All of them were green. All of them were in profit. How is that possible? Where can you find this kind of strategy, bro? All of them, bro. 10 trades green, bro. It's crazy. It's never happened. There is a screenshot. I will show you. I'll show you. I'm not lying. I will show you. I showed. I screenshot that shit. So it is crazy, bro. Everything in my direction. 10 trades in a row. Green, bro. It is crazy. Never heard, bro. It is nasty, bro. So it was giving me profits like crazy, right? So, and for commission, I paid $18. You can check this right in my FX book. It is all there. I'm not lying. $18 for commission, bro. $18. For God's sake, it is a $30 account. For God's sake, bro. It is a $30 account. And I paid commission $18. It is on IC markets. I love them, but their commission is crazy, bro. It is crazy, bro. Oh, lost micro loss, bro. Micro loss. It is 0.08, bro. It is close to $0.1. I mean cents. 0.1 cent. Okay. That's crazy. When you convert it to lot, one lot, it will be $1 per lot. I think. I think it's like that. But what I love is the spread. The spread is almost zero, bro. It is so crazy. It is crazy, bro. Euro dollar is zero. The spread is like this. There is no bid, there is no ask difference. It is like this straight line. That's what I love. The black box loves this shit, bro. Because we are essentially scalping. We are a scalpers. If we are scalping, we don't want to spread like this. This bid and this ask. We don't want like this. If it is like this, we don't make money. Why? It is a spread. There is a huge spread. So in order to hit our TP, what the hell happened? In order to hit our TP, it has to move a lot, which we don't want. Okay. So the spread has to be tight, very tight. That's why I chose IC markets. They are beautiful. I'm not sponsored by them. I'm not. Uh, I didn't receive any money. They didn't reach out to me at all. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. They are good. They are good. So, anyways, the next thing that I did is I entered the trade before the 5% was broken. Why? I tried to reason my way by telling myself the shorter candles are important. When in fact there is a big wick. When there was a big wick, there is a difference. Okay. Let's say this is a candle. This is a wick, right? So if the candle breaks this one and breaks the 5% too, let's say the 5% is here, we don't enter a sell. We don't enter a sell. Why? Because it is technically the price is inside this black box. The low is here, not above there. It is here. I've seen so many times that the price return back after touching this, breaking the 5%. Yeah, the 5% includes below the wick, not the body. It has to be the wick. It has to include. So that's why I made a mistake here. So I entered the 5% before the 5% was broken, which means essentially I broke my own rules. I broke my own rules. That's it. That's what happened here. That's what made that's what blew my account. Okay. The rest, the other thing is I entered. You entered too many positions on $8 account. So that $34 account went down to $8, almost 90% drawdown. $8 account. On $8 account, what kind of man? What kind of woman will do such a thing, bro? Such a thing, bro. I entered a trade on $Aussie, Kiwi dollar, Aussie yen, Aussie chef, Kiwi chef, bro. On $8 account. When we multiply this shit, it is all 0.01. I know that, but when you multiply it by 5, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 of them. That is how much? 0.05, right? 0.05 on $8 account, it is nearly impossible. And the yen pairs, they move like crazy and they eat your money like crazy. GJ, Aussie yen, Euro yen, Dollar yen, the yen pairs, bro, they are like gold, bro. They are like gold, which means if they move a little bit, your money will be gone. If they move in your direction, your money will increase like crazy. They have a huge peep value. Their one peep value has huge huge value, right? When compared to euro dollar, euro dollar, and dollar yen, they are different. They are different. So dollar pairs, euro dollar and dollar yen, they are different. Their amount of risk. Okay. But anyhow, I entered the trade and I will lose account. And some of them went in my direction, the other went in opposite direction. Aussie and Zayan pairs, all of them they went south. I bought that shit, but they went south, so I lost money. So it is now $2, only $2 in my account, and that's crazy. So these are the reasons. These are the reasons. Okay, these are the reasons. So let's get back to here and let me show you a couple of things. And I don't want it to be long and it is getting dark, so I'll see you in the next episode. Okay, I promise you will be profitable. I promise you. I am promising you. Okay, I'm not lying. I'm not lying. I'm not lying. If the old black box, if the normal black box gives me 45% profit of my account, then bro, it is even, bro. It is a $20 account. It is not $1,000. If it was $1,000, then I would have a better chance. Why? Because I would have a lot to spare. I would have a lot to spare. I would have a lot of room for my stop loss. Okay, but since it is a $20 account, I cannot enter whatever trade I want. Why? Because the margin is too small. Even with that constraint, I managed to take my account to 45% profit, and that is thanks to the black box. It's beautiful. So anyways, the black box is now expired. Why? Because I told you the risk is very high. The risk is high, the stop loss is high, the loss will be high when compared to the profits. So we don't want that. We don't want that. We don't want 5% any shit like that. The 5% will involve here too, but we don't use the full 5%. We only use the half, and that half is used for entry and stop loss. Okay, that's no more, nothing more. Okay, and it will be beautiful. This is just amazing, bro. It's better. If I had known about this when my account was set up, that $20 by now would have been $100 or $200. I promise you, I'm telling you the truth, bro. I'm telling you the truth. So where was I? I was here, right? So what we're gonna do now is we will try to locate the next black box. I mean the next two candles black box, not the normal black box. We have already took this trade. A buy TP2 nailed. What is now? Take partials and laser. TP3 went up. TP3 take partials and the laser. Okay, then stop loss will be up there where you entered previously. So this thing supported, bam, because it smashed. It is smashed like crazy, as you can see. It is smashed more above there, above there, above where? Above this one, right there, as you can see. Okay. Then what happened? What exactly happened here? Then what happened here? Exactly. Then we hunt for the next black box. When the next black box forms, you trade this one, not this one. If you are already in the trade with this one, then the only thing you have to do is wait or take another trade with this one too. Okay, with this one too. Okay, all right, you got me. Beautiful. So what I'm gonna show you here is let's spot overlapping candles, two candles. That is the only criteria. Okay, so the first two candles has to overlap, and and they have to overlap, and the third candle has to overlap at least halfway or fully. That's better. If that does not happen, we need to see it trade at least halfway of the previous candles. Okay, that's beautiful. All right, so as you can see, this thing happened. Bam, this is one. This long wick is one candle. The next candle, the third candle. Did it break anything? Yes. Where? Down there. What do? You sell. Right there is a sell. Right there is a sell. A sell. Okay, here what we see is we compare the second candle and the first candle. Okay, so the simplest thing is to wait for the third candle to break both of them. Both of them. I had a theory that to minimize the stop loss, our entry and the distance between our entry and the stop loss, I had a theory that when as soon as the body of the second candle is broken, we would be entering a trade. Okay, as soon as that seems to work, but not always. But not always. So we need to be close to guaranteed than throw our money everywhere. Okay, it is a theory. It is still a theory. I have to prove it by checking back 10 years of data of the chart. Okay, 10 years or trading on binary options or something else. I want to demo trade. Okay, on 5 minutes or 10 seconds time frame. I was checking this. I was trying to prove that the second, I mean the two candles black box is the best. Okay, it's amazing. So I'll try to see if we will be if this theory is true. Okay, let us say this is the second candle's black box. This is the first candle overlap. The third candle, once the third candle breaks the upside, as you can see, we don't care about the first candle. Okay, we care about only the second candle. When the second candle's body not weak, if it is weak, then we will be entering up there. Why? Because the wick has to be broken. It is a body, so I will enter down there, which means there is a lot of pips between the two. So if you enter down there, look how much pip it is. If you enter up there, look how much pip it is. It is smaller, right? So that's only a theory. I will tell you everything when I get something concrete, okay? But until then, you have to trade these two candles black box, okay? Dump, ditch the normal black box. The normal black box like this, 5% is not broken, as you can see, no buy. But when you trade the second candles black box, as you can see here, when you trade the second candles black box, right here, what happens is you catch this move, as you can see, and you catch this move to the downside. As you can see here, the previous things that I told you, sell here, is not a good idea after all. Why? Because as you can see here, the first candle here, low is, as you can see, it didn't move a lot. Simply, it didn't move a lot. It didn't move a lot. As you can see, what did it do? Nothing. 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 I have seen so many times, the price comes here, takes liquidity or something else, or gets a lower price and moves to the opposite side like crazy. Okay, so what happens here? What happens here? What do? I only buy this one right there, bro. Right there, up there. Right there. I only buy this one. Why? Why? Because the move of this one, the distance that the third candle broke, and this, they are not equal. This is greater, which means this is a real one. This is a one, so I buy. Okay, that is a buy. Then I measure this. Okay, so you can see from the top of the wick, I mean the body, not the wick, it's the body. You can see what happened. TP2 nailed, TP1, TP2 right there, right there, as you can see. Right, TP3 never nailed. I told you that TP2 is the most important. It is a must. It is a must. You got it? You got it? It is a must. So TP2 nailed. What happened here? It changed direction to the downside. I told you at TP2, what do? You take partials. You take partials. If you enter 2 micro loss, 0.02, what do? You take 0.01 off. You let the other run. Okay? You can, you can, you don't touch the stop loss. Don't touch the stop loss. What you gotta do is wait for the TP3. Next TP3 is located around there. You wait for that one. If that does not happen, you don't care. You are trading with your profit. So you took partials, which means you are trading with your profit. Alright? That's this. So this is beautiful. So next thing, your stop loss is it down there. Right? Not much down there. Okay. Okay. Your stop loss is it, right? So what happened? Trades the downside. What do? You said, where is your stop loss now? Up there. It is up there now. Why? The price can come up there. Second, the price came up. I say, but mostly this is the block. This cannot be broken. When the price retests, this is the place where everyone agrees. The buyers and the sellers are comfortable here. Comfortable here. So what do? You say, that's the sell right there. That's the if TP2 is not hit, okay? Another thing that you would do is you say if TP2 is not hit, okay? If TP2 is not hit, alright? Got this? So this is it. So for today, as you can see, almost 32 minutes, which means half an hour. So I don't want to mm, take your time, okay? You are probably sleeping, most of you. It's a long video, so uh, we will be learning a lot with you. I will be learning too, okay, with you, alright? So, on the next episode, I will show you an interesting thing, where we find out where the direction of the black box, I mean, where the direction of the price will be, and trade towards it, okay, to trade alongside it, okay? I'll show you an interesting concept, okay, to know the direction and then our direction and then entry, and that will be beautiful. It is amazing. So I can't wait for the next episode. I will see you in the next one. Peace out.